Hi, today we're going to look at the Grady-White 275 Freedom. This boat is powered by a pair of F200s. It is shown in Seaport Blue. It also has the underside gel coat to match. Nice electronic lounge seat. It'll come back and meet the rear seat. Large fish box, wide well, ski tow pylon, little sink prep station with some storage drawers, digital throttle and shift, large CS7 Yamaha display, fusion stereo here, as well as the remote next to the helm. Bennett trim tabs, large head with overboard discharge, nice seating area with a table. This boat's also equipped with a windlass. It also has a three-sided enclosure for it. Oh, I stand corrected. It is a full enclosure for the boat. If you have any questions, give us a call here at the MarineMax in Ocean View, New Jersey. Thank you.